my new Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Let's get into it. So I've been meaning to get a fold device for quite some time now. I was doing my research, just seeing if these devices were mature enough and it was a good time to buy. I was in the mall yesterday and I was roaming around Boxing Day, 2024 Boxing Day, to find some good deals, and apparently I did find a good deal on this phone, which made me decide I should get one. So here we are. I said rest in peace to the money in my wallet and made the decision and got one. So let's unbox this now. Fold. Okay, there you go. Look at that. Whoa. There's another. Okay, first what it comes with. It comes with some manuals, the USB-C to USB-C cable, and the mighty device. There it is, my first fold phone. Let's get started. Set up using another device. Nope. Almost dropped it. Feels good. Just setting it up. Let's get the devices getting ready. So I finished unboxing and setting up my phone. This looks really good. I was able to set up my fingerprint. I was able to set up my Face ID, which is nice. I have set up basic applications, my emails, everything is working. So this is it for now. I will use this phone a bit and share my reviews. So stay tuned.
Hey, so this was my unboxing video. Thank you for sticking around. Let me play around with this device for a bit and I'll share my reviews with you. Please like, subscribe to my channel for more updates about devices like these. Thank you so much. Ciao.